Hey everybody, it's Kelly. I'm back with this week's Scraplift Saturday. This layout is by Lena Lamb for the old 2Ps board, and I really liked the blocks of pattern paper here that she used. So I'm going to be scrapping this photo of my daughter-in-law and middle grandchild and his youngest sister. This was from their newborn photo shoot. I did not take these photos. They had a professional photographer and she did an amazing job. So I'm using a lot of things from Echo Park, a lot of papers from Echo Park here from a couple of different collections. That background paper, however, is the polka dot is from Lawn Fawn. It's the Let's Polka and it's the Wild Rose polka paper. And then I've cut a large square of that floral paper. That is from Echo Park Bundle of Joy, and that's the baby floral. Then I'm going to add in this green striped paper up there, and I just like how it gave some brightness, and it wasn't all pink since it's not just girls. Obviously my grandson is there. So that green striped paper is from Echo Park Bundle of Joy, and it's the baby girl plaid, and that green does appear in the floral. So the floral is what I'm using to pull all the colors together. I'm pulling all the colors from that floral, even though they're mostly the same collection, but not all the same collection. That plaid that I have there is the Echo Park Bundle of Joy baby girl plaid paper, and I'm just kind of right now I'm using my centering ruler there to get that green plaid paper centered, because everything that I do I'm going to put everything else down on the page based on where that lays. So just making sure I get that down right. And the reason you'll see me keep tapping things in front of me, and that is because I am my layout is up on my iPad in front of me. All right, so now I'm kind of looking at where the next block needs to go, and that would be that pink crosshatch paper, and that's, so far I'm pretty much echoing at least the basic arrangement of the papers, and that pink crosshatch paper is again Echo Park Bundle of Joy, and it's the newborn paper. Now I'm going to kind of take a look at that plaid paper, and I'm trying to decide, I don't want the three large strips of paper, so the green, the plaid, and this aqua polka dot, to be the same width, or height, I guess it would be height. It is all the same width. So I'm kind of playing with that a little bit to make sure that they're not. That aqua polka dot paper is Lawn Fawn, and it's Let's Polka in the Meadow, and it's the Dewdrop polka here. All right, so I'm going to get that down. Before I go any further, guys, I have a little bit of news that I want to share with you as I'm just getting these glued down. This is going to be my last layout for the Crafty Maven Getaway. So it's with a bit of sadness, but I needed to give something up just because I'm working a ton and I've got a lot of other commitments. So unfortunately, it's the Crafty Maven channel that I'm going to have to do that for. I want to thank Hannah because she really, she was the first design team that I was on, and just, for just believing in me, and she's really helped my channel as well too. So thanks, Hannah, and for that time here on the Crafty Maven Getaway. If you're interested in keeping up with me, the link to my personal channel will be in the comments, so you can just subscribe to that and you'll be able to find me and see what I'm doing. I do post 2 layouts a week on my personal channel, so just so you know that. Anyway, so back to the layout. Didn't want to forget to tell you that. Back to the layout, I put down a border sticker there. That was from Echo Park Sweet Baby Girl, the Element stickers, and that just brings in the pink again in a really big way. And then I found this, that green wood grain there, And that green wood grain is washi is from Doodlebug. And then I was thinking I was going to put some aqua on, but it got a little too distracting. So I went back to, I pulled out a bunch of washi tape that I thought I might use. I went back and found that green polka dot washi from Bella Boulevard and decided to use that instead. Just because it's close to the other green, so it kind of reads as one strip, and then it brings more of that green into the bottom. Speaking of green, I just cut this little, this cut apart 3x4 card from the Echo Park Bundle of Joy Girl Journaling card paper, and I decided there's journaling on the original layout right there. I decided I wanted something there, but not necessarily journaling, because this is all from a photo shoot. There's not a heck of a lot of journaling that goes with this. It's just getting the beautiful pictures into layouts, right? So now I'm playing around with what I'm going to do to embellish, and my clusters will be a little bit differently placed than what they are on the original layout. I do like that little bunny sticker, and she is from the Echo Park Sweet Baby Girl Element sticker sheet. And then I found that flower up on the top right, and that's from the Echo Park Bundle of Joy Element stickers. I'm having a problem deciding what I'm going to put here. I originally thought about that little lamb, but I think it was too big and distracting. It was so close to the photo, but it was drawing attention away from the photo. So now I'm still playing here, thinking maybe I'll move that rabbit and put this other die cut down on the right, but it was too similar in shape to the flower and too big, I guess, calling too much attention to itself, because that It's a Girl is pretty big as it is. So then I found this little present, and I thought that was appropriate because, you know, she's a newborn and she's like a present to all of us. So that came from the same sticker sheet as the rabbit, the Sweet Baby Girl Element stickers. And so I'm just going to pop these up on my foam tape, on my big roll of foam tape, although it's not so big anymore because I've used a lot of it. Now it's almost down to a normal size foam tape roll. And it does take a little bit to get these things off, right, when you're putting that down. So now I kind of have the base of where my 3 clusters are going to go. All right, so then I found some of these phrases. That little adorable banner is from the Sweet Baby Girl Element stickers. That little one that says sweetheart is from there as well. And then the little lady phrase is from the Bundle of Joy Element stickers. And then I found these cute little hearts that I'm going to dot around the page, and those are from the Bundle of Joy Element stickers. And then I've also, on the Bundle of Joy Element stickers, they had these little phrases that said things like sweet girl, baby girl, and love. So I'm just going to add those in with the other ones too. When I find word phrases that work on a layout, I like to put them on, because otherwise they sit on my sheets and I never use them. I don't know why. They're great elements, but for some reason they're a little bit of a scrapbooking kryptonite for me. I did, by the way, put a little diaper pin up at the top there, and I believe that also is from the Bundle of Joy Element stickers as well. So now I've decided I want another texture on here, so I'm going to add these enamel dots in. They are from the Eyelet Outlet and Brad's. I got them at a scrapbook expo. And I'll just add them into a couple of places on the layout here. Just adding one up there, but everywhere else has 3, just because that one cluster with the diaper pin is really not its own cluster, it's more secondary. All right, guys, so in just a second. I thought I was done, and then I saw the Bundle of Joy Alpha sticker sheet and thought, you know what, I could add a title with those over that green block, because that green block felt like it was sticking out a little bit too much. And so I put these stickers on that just say my sister, because she is his sister. And it was a pretty quick process, pretty simple. I love the shape and the softness of these. All right, everybody, so I'm just about done. There will be a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and thanks for supporting me on the channel. Don't forget, if you want to follow me, just go to the description box and my channel name will be there. Hope you're all well. Bye.